How to fix Apple Watch black screen issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure your Apple Watch is charged. So place it on the charger and wait for at least 20 to 30 minutes and then look for a green lightning or red lightning for a charging symbol. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to force restart your watch. So in order to force restart, press and hold the side button and the digital crown together and make sure to hold for 10 to 15 seconds and then release when you see the Apple logo. This fixes most black screen issues. See if that helps, and if not, then open your watch app on your iPhone and then go ahead and tap on the accessibility option and then tap on voiceover and then tap on screen curtain and go ahead and toggle the toggle button for screen curtain off. And if you feel vibrations but see nothing, this is likely the issue. Also, make sure that your Apple Watch is not too hot, as screen may go black temporarily if your Apple Watch is too hot, so let it cool down and try again. You can also try to update your watch OS, so on the watch app again, tap on General and then on Software Update and then go ahead and install the latest update, and this will prevent future issues. See if that helps, and if not, then it also could be that you are using a faulty charger or a duplicate charger. So make sure to use an original Apple charger, and your issue should have been fixed by now. And if not, then it simply could be a hardware issue, which is likely a battery or display failure, or it also could be you might need an Apple support. So go ahead and visit an Apple store or service center in your area. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Apple Watch black screen issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.